I didn't get your name, sorry.
My name is Dinesh.
Dinesh is also from
Bangalore. Basically from Andhra, but staying in Bangalore. Data analytics consultant by job, but travel is my passion. I'm just working for travel.
Oh, wow. There is another passionate traveler, Dinesh. He's also come from Bangalore. Good morning from Kohima. Namaste and welcome to the vlog again. Today is day 6th of my Northeast trip, but day 2 in Nagaland. Yesterday we reached Kohima at around 6:30. Nice beautiful views from the homestay. We are staying at this place called Abi Homestay, ABI. Have a look at the place. So this is the beautiful kitchen area and dining area of the homestay. Nice, small, cute place. Have a look. These are some of the lovely residents of the homestay. Look at these guys. Look at these fireballs. Come, let's go to the terrace and check out the view from here. So this is the view.
And this is the Nagaland highest peak.
What is that?
Second highest peak, Jufu peak.
I don't know if my finger is pointing in the correct direction. So in this lens you can make out, but that's the highest peak of Nagaland, Jufu. Apparently it snows there sometimes. Some years it snows and you can see the snow from here. So let me show you the view properly. I don't have a drone. Unfortunately, I cannot fly a drone and show you, but this is a drone worthy place. Yeah, but the best thing is to see it with your own eyes, right?
Yeah.
Such a beautiful place.
मजा आ गया.
बहुत मजा आ गया. We are now all dressed up and ready to go to the festival venue. So catch you there. I'm so sorry, I forget your name again. Dinesh. So okay, we are in the car now on the way to the festival venue. Dinesh, Soilen and me, and we are picking up these two other friends of mine, travelers from Bangalore. They are staying here at the Sobo Homestay, and yeah, I think it's somewhere here only close by. There. Good morning and hello.
Hi.
Kanti and that's Anurupa. Okay.
And
so
we're waiting for this guy from long time.
so, okay, let's all go to the venue and have fun. Did you guys have breakfast?
Yeah, we had.
Oh, we haven't had anything. So this is the entrance to the Naga Heritage Village. This is the place where the event happens. Okay, we are right in front of the second entrance, which is so beautifully decorated right behind me. Some cycling race is going on, right? Yeah. Mountain biking race, no? So there's an event happening right now, which is a mountain biking race. That is why I think the streets are cordoned off. Awesome, very nice atmosphere. Okay, we have entered. We are walking up to the main venue. It's 20 bucks per person entry ticket plus 100 bucks for a camera. So that's the deal. It's a slight climb. Everyone better be in shape if you have to do this every day, right? So right now I'm in front of the main arena. Let's go in and check out. This is where the main events happen, as in all the cultural activities happen. Okay, right now we are at the Rengma Morung. So I'll explain the concept of what a Morung is later in the video. Nagaland has 16 tribes, right? More than 16, but I think there's 16 Morungs. Yeah, anyways, I'll put the number. So basically each Morung represents a tribe in this heritage village. So each Morung is where they showcase their culture and their heritage. Contrary to popular opinion, you do get good veg food at the Hornbill Festival, and this is the proof. They have made arrangements for vegetarians as well, and there's a special thali which you can order for 350 bucks. There's a lot of stuff. Now let me enjoy the food. खाओगे मेरा खाना? मैं खाना खा लिया. I have a guest with me. आप खाओगे?
We're the Angamis. The song is dedicated to a lover.
Okay, it's a love song.
Yeah, it's like we're singing that there's a blooming flower. A blooming flower, and we want to be like that with our lover. Yes.
Beautiful. So this is the Ao Morung, and we are enjoying a sip of Ao rice beer. Cheers!
Cheers.
So that's rice beer at the Ao Morung. Rice beer is a very important element in the cuisine of the tribes of the Northeast. Almost every tribe has their slightly different taste.
Slightly mild different.
Yeah, Dinesh here has tasted almost all the beers in all the Morungs, so he can kind of distinguish between the different tribes' beer. But slight distinction will be there. Yeah, but more or less the preparation method is the same, I
I
think.
think you'll get tapioca also.
Oh, so there'll be rice, there'll be tapioca like that.
Oh, thank you so much for treating me this right.
What you just saw is the Lotha Morung. This is the Morung of the Lotha tribe, and this is where their heritage is being showcased. Very beautiful.
This is Mulberry wine, local made. It's very tasty.
So this is basically a grain pounding apparatus. 3 people can stand here and do the pounding together at the same time. Traditional rice pounding, grain pounding apparatus. So we are at the Sumi Morung and having a cup of normal chai. Sumi Morung, and they have this nice sitting area. Awesome experience, very unique. It's a must-do bucket list item. So this is called the Angami shawl, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is 2 pieces.
Yeah.
their traditional Angami attire. 2 pieces, shawl and the one which you wear below. What is it called?
Mini.
Mini.
Yes, lohe. This is called lohe.
No, not in English. In Angami language, it is called
Yeah, lohe.
lohe, and the whole dress is called lohe.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Jeliang tribe, Paren district into Mabilis. Jeliang control drop.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, so that was a protest march for the incident that happened yesterday in one of the places in Nagaland. So in fact, a lot of the tribes have withdrawn from the festival. It's an unfortunate incident and the people are saddened by it. So we have come back again to the venue for evening visit. I don't know what the activities are right now, but yeah, Soilen, me and Kanti are here. Let's see what all we can, explore. Good morning. Today is the 6th of December 2021. I'm at the Hornbill Festival in Nagaland and day 7th of my Northeast India trip. Because of the unfortunate incident that happened 2 days back in Nagaland, the event was cancelled in solidarity of the people who died in that unfortunate incident. But the morungs were there, people were there, the food stalls and everything was there. It happened very suddenly. It's just that the event programs got cancelled, but the place was still alive and active. So we spent some time there, met few other people, other tourists. We caught up with them and then we had dinner there as well. So this is my dinner. I've got a Rajma Chawal option and masala omelette and bread. So there is hope for vegetarians in this part of the country as well. And these guys are relishing their pork. And then we came back to the homestay. We were very tired by the time we reached, so I couldn't get to finish the vlog. So I'm finishing the vlog now. So Soilen has just gotten some drinking water.
So he's making me wash all the buttons and make hot water, then coffee.
So I'll end this episode here itself and I will see you on the next one. Please do like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have been enjoying the content that I've been putting up and it inspires you to travel to this place as well. It's a beautiful, beautiful country, Nagaland. Beautiful people, hospitable people, awesome food, especially if you're a non-vegetarian. And so I will see you in the next one. Thank you and namaste.
Can see clear through the smoke you created. I feel my feet on the ground and then